Hi everyone, welcome to August video on the Hindley Railway Station refurbishment scheme. This is the second video I've done on the scheme. The first one was back in April. There has been a little bit of a gap in progress over the summer. I'll leave a link to the April video on the top right hand corner of the screen now. The work that has started so far has mainly been over on platform 1, which is the Bolton and Manchester bound side, with the embankment being dug out, and it looks like this construction has started on a footway temporarily down to the platform. Before we get into seeing what progress has been made, let's have a quick look at the plans from Transport for Greater Manchester on the station upgrades. It's a £6.5 million project which will see step-free access provided to both platforms, with the installation of passenger lifts and a new footbridge. Throughout the works, the station will remain open and completion is expected in spring 2027. Looking at the progress that's been made on the project so far, this is looking at the Manchester and Bolton bound platform. See there, all the vegetation has been completely removed now, and they are actually starting to dig out quite a substantial amount of the embankment on that side. This is where the passenger lift is going to go, and the footbridge is going to be extended over and across towards the platform. This is also meant on the station side of Ladies Lane. If you're walking up towards Hall Lane, the footpath is actually closed, so you have to cross over. So on platform 1 here, looking up towards Ladies Lane, and you can see there, I think that is what is going to be the temporary footway. Now, there has always been a cobbled footway on this section here, but obviously all that's been dug out. It's going to make it step-free access for everybody while the work is going on. Over on platform 2, nothing happening as of yet, but at the side of the Eddington Arms, Railway Street has been closed, and that is closed now for the full duration of the works. I appreciate there's not a massive amount happening, but at least they have made a start. Looked on the Northern Railway website and it said the official start date was back in March. Not a lot has happened since then, so let's hope this is the start of the project and it's now full steam ahead. Thanks for watching everybody, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.